They are recognized in Hong Kong. An Indian award is recognized and enforceable in the same manner as a court judgment with the court's permission. The recognition of Indian judgments is also simplified, as India is one of the very few recognized countries under the Foreign Judgments Reciprocal Enforcement Ordinance. An application is made to the court with a supporting affidavit and a draft order. For an award, the supporting affidavit should briefly set out the factual background of the arbitration and confirm the extent to which the award has not been complied with. For an Indian judgment to be recognized here in Hong Kong, it will have to satisfy certain criteria. For example, it should be for a fixed sum of money, it should be final and conclusive, and it should emanate from a superior court. Once leave to enforce the award is granted, the order is served on the award debtor, who has 14 days to contest the order and set it aside. Likewise, the order giving leave to register a judgment is served on the judgment debtor, and the order will state the period within which the judgment debtor can apply to set aside the registration. If the orders are unopposed, the Indian award or judgment can be enforced as if they are judgments of the Hong Kong court, and various enforcement mechanisms then become available. India is a party to the New York Convention, so the grounds for refusing leave are very limited. They include, for example, the incapacity of a party, the arbitration agreement being invalid, procedural unfairness, or if the award is not yet binding. As for a judgment, it would likely be set aside if the requirements for registration were not satisfied, or on other limited grounds. There are various means available for enforcement depending on the assets against which the award or judgment is sought to be enforced. The most common methods are garnishee proceedings against the debtor's bank accounts, charging order proceedings over property or securities, and winding up or bankruptcy proceedings. An examination order can also be obtained against the judgment debtor to obtain more information regarding their assets. If you have any questions regarding enforcement of Indian awards or judgments in Hong Kong, do let us know and we'll be happy to advise you in more detail. I'm Ashima Sood and I'm a Senior Associate at Called Solicitors.